In this video, we're going to show you how you can easily make your text move in CapCut for PC. So if you want to make your text move over the video from left to right, top to bottom, or any other way, then we can do that by adding keyframes to the text layer. Just follow my steps, because it's pretty easy to do so. All you have to do is to add the text to your video, and I'm going to do just that. You can write whatever you need to for your video, and I'm going to write business meeting. And after you add the text, you can change the font, size, and color of it to your liking. It really doesn't matter. Now let's add some movement to our text. You want to drag the playhead to the beginning of your text layer because that's when we want our text to start moving. You will see the text layer options at the right side of the screen, and just make sure that the basic section is selected right here. Then scroll a little bit down until you can see the position and scale options. I want my text to start moving from the top left corner of the screen, so I'll put the text layer there. And then we'll click on this little diamond-shaped icon next to the position option, and that will add the keyframe to the text layer. Now move the playhead a couple of seconds, or until the part of the video where you want the text to stop moving or animating. And I want my text to move to the bottom right corner of the screen. I'll just click on the text in the window and then drag it to the bottom right. When I do that, the second keyframe will be added automatically, and you can see that it's added by this little diamond icon in the text layer. When I now play my video, you can see that the text is moving from the top left to the bottom right corner of the screen. And if you want to make your animation a little bit faster, simply click on the keyframe on the text layer and drag it a little bit to the left side. The closer the two keyframes are, the faster the animation is going to be. And that's how you can easily make your text move in CapCut for PC. If you need more similar CapCut tutorial videos, then subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.